So, you want to become a machine learning engineer, eh? I know you've probably seen hundreds of all these tip videos on how to do software engineering, machine learning engineering, but this one's gonna be different. I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how you can get started in machine learning from a guy who did it without a computer science degree.
Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing ever. This is just for lols.
Machine learning and AI is all the rage. Look at all these buzzwords. So many, look at them, there's more, look, there's, oh god. All these buzzwords, all this AI talk, it's a great time to get a career in machine learning. High paying job, AI is cool, saying you build neural networks is cool, but you know what the coolest thing about it is? Your friends are going to believe that you are doing something so much more complicated than it really is, and that you're building the next wave that's going to destroy humanity. Plus, web dev is so old, like, ugh.
I want you to take everything you know about computer science and development and take it over, munch it over, scramble it up, and just yeet that. Yeet it. Get it out of here.
Tip number 1, know what kind of ML engineer you want to be. Think of it like choosing Pokemon. You have your grass one, you have your red one, and you have your liquid types. Machine learning is the same thing. You typically have computer vision, natural language processing, and GAN, generative adversarial network. I don't even know if there's a third one, but that's a thing. We're gonna use that as a thing. You don't want to be the person who's like mildly good at all of them, because then you're not really great at one, and that's terrible. You want to be great and fantastic at one, conquer it, and then move on if you have to, but don't be playing around with all the spices if you don't have to. So pick one, choose one, be passionate about it, and stick to it, and don't cheat on it, because you'll become a foo-foo lame, and you don't want to become a foo-foo lame, and you'll also go to hell. It's important to stick to one of those types, because then you become really great at it and you'll build your own repertoire and skills, and when people hire you, they'll be like, oh, this person is great at NLP. That's awesome. So choose one, stay focused on that one, and be great at it. Be so great that the other not great people are gonna look at you and be like, I want to be that great at what that person does with machine learning. He's so awesome. Look at his AI. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Tip number 2, know your stack and stick to your guns. I've always really wanted to say that. What I mean by that is, it doesn't matter if you're doing your neural network or machine learning in PyTorch or TensorFlow, but let's be honest, we all just use Keras, like, come on now. It also doesn't matter what language you're doing. If for some weird reason you're doing machine learning in any other language that's not Python, do you. However, just be really good at that and master it to a T. Understand your framework, understand your backend engine, and understand the libraries that come with your language. Like, for example, Python, the greatest machine learning language out there right now. There's NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and of course, the holy grail, scikit-learn. Without those packages, doing machine learning would be a nightmare, like an actual nightmare. Understand how all those tools work, how you use them to build your pipelines, all the way from your data cleaning pipeline to when you send that over to injection to your model, how you build your model, putting it in those nice stacks, layers, nodes, and then getting the output, classifying it, and get the precision and recall scores. A lot of people get lost in the details of, oh, am I using the right programming techniques? Am I using the right stack? Should I use PyTorch or TensorFlow? Forget that. Focus on what you're able to do, and focus on making the end-to-end pipeline, so when you are going for an interview, you can impress whomever with, yo, check it out, I can build it, what up? Now, my last tip basically is, don't get scared and don't get intimidated by things that do not matter. I never had a computer science degree, but I really wanted to do machine learning, so I jumped in headfirst, dove in there like a dolphin, into the TensorFlow documentation, and started learning, started my journey. Took me a year and a half, almost 2 years, to finally land my machine learning developer job, but I did it. Without a PhD, I don't really know math, I don't really know what I'm doing. However, I still did it. Just do it. Shia LaBeouf, just do it. Just do it! It's okay if you don't have a PhD. It's okay if you're not really the best at math. And it's fine if you come from a different background, like web development or something else. As long as you have the determination to learn, this is such a new field that anyone can still hop on, develop their skills, and be on board to a company eager and excited to develop their analytics department. Look at this. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed this video where I basically talk you through 3 of my favorite tips that got me from place 0 to less 0. I work as a machine learning engineer, that's what I'm trying to say. Now, I may have left out some cool tips that may have helped you in the future. If I left something out, leave in the comments below. What are your tips for me and how can I get better? And what would you tell someone who's just starting their own machine learning journey? Now's the time where I plug my socials. You can catch me on Twitch and join the Discord. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Twitch. Hit me up, join me there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And always remember, you gotta pow it.